Okay, as you see right now, we was on a bus, just had gotten to New York, making our way to the subway station, so we can make our way all the way to New York, if that sound right. But yeah, okay, bye. What area we in? Just got pizza. Oh my gosh, y'all, look at it. Y'all, this pizza is so good. Like, for real. So we're about to walk. My phone about to die, y'all. My phone about to die, y'all. Right now we walking. I look crazy. Bomb pizza, y'all. Bomb pizza, y'all. Y'all, this pizza good. This pizza might be better than Domino's. Might be better than Domino's. Hey, New York. Y'all got some good pizza. Tell me now. Okay, so fast forward into the day. So we went to see the Statue of Liberty, but I recorded off my iPhone 6s Plus because at that point my iPhone 11 had. And so we're about to take the train, but I'm gonna give it to y'all once we get to the hotel. Well, once we get to the hotel and we get out of the hotel, and I be dressed up. So, peace. What's up, TT Film? So I'm back with another video right now. We at the train station, just left the hotel. So right now we in New Jersey. I'm not in New York right now, but we finna head to Times Square. So when I get there, I'll drop back up. Peace. Check out the fit. Check out the fit. The fit. Alright, so I'm back, y'all. Right now we walking. Think we're going to Empanadas. So yeah. It's a long walk. But it seemed like less people on the street tonight. Because when we first got here, it was crowded. So look, I got another pizza, y'all. Cheese pizza this time. 99 from 99-cent pizza store. I'm telling y'all that my pizza is good. You know, we just left Empanadas. Now I think we're gonna go to Times Square. So yeah. See y'all when I get down. We just got off the train. Headed to our hotel. This is day one of the NYC vlog. Day two coming tomorrow. I know it seemed like I didn't do much today, but I got more for y'all tomorrow. Alright, TT family, so it's been fun with y'all. Make sure y'all subscribe to the YouTube channel. Make sure y'all leave a like. This was day one of 72 hours NYC. I know it may seem like I didn't get much videos, but that's only because my phone was finna die. But I got y'all tomorrow, day 2. I think we have one more day because we leave Sunday. So I'll try to do more vlogging for y'all. So yes, stay tuned, subscribe to the channel, leave a like, and peace. Going to some Sunday. Today's day 2. Right now I'm gonna get dressed. I don't know where, but I'm finna get dressed. I'm finna get out. Finna do a little bit more stuff today. Cause today is our last day. Cause we leave Sunday. So yeah, technically today is our last day. So yeah, I'm trying to do a little bit more vlogging for y'all, but y'all just bear with me because this is my first time vlogging like this, and I kind of get, a little nervous or whatever, and don't really know what to do. And of course, I'm vlogging myself. People don't normally vlog this stuff nowadays. They have a cameraman to vlog for them. You know what I'm saying? So people don't normally do it this way that I'm doing anymore nowadays. So yeah, just bear with me. But yeah, today I'm gonna get ready. I don't know what I'm going to wear today, but yeah, today I'm gonna be vlogging a little bit more for y'all, because I may not have got a lot of footage yesterday. But yesterday we went to Target. Yesterday we went to Five and Below. Five and Below was nice. I think every store here has a escalator. However, if I'm saying it right. So yeah, every store is nice. Like even Target was nice. A big Target, you feel what I'm saying? So yeah, the pizza has been good. We had pizza last night again. 99-cent pizza, so the pizza was good. But yeah, I'm gonna get back to y'all once we get in the streets NYC and do everything that we're supposed to do today. So yeah, see y'all. So right now, y'all, we are going into the Book of Hub, but it is raining out here. So look, y'all. What's a Book of Hub, y'all? Let's go. See that right there. So look, y'all, we're in the Book of Hub. All the Jay-Z album. In the Baseline Studios. It's so nice in here, y'all. It's a whole bunch of stuff of Jay-Z. This is plaque. This is dope, y'all. Of course, recording studio. And we got pictures over here. Damn videos. Yeah. Damn. More plaques. We have more pictures. We got more pictures. This is more stuff right here.
Oh, okay.
Now we got the blueprint plaque.
Yes, that's the actual drum system.
Another plaque. Another plant right here. Of the Holy Grail. Magna Carta. Another plant. Plant. This is the other side. We have this table. Guess this is his jacket. I don't know. Picture of him. Here's the other table. Okay. Newspaper. And stuff. This is the title. This is the Magna Carta Holy Grail. I don't know. So yeah, we got pictures. Got pictures. See that? Got more pictures on the side of him with artists. Got pictures on this side. Look at Tyler Perry. And got pictures on this side. We got more pictures. Got more pictures, y'all. We got this side right here. Got the front. I didn't get the front. This is what he would wear. Rock away, y'all. Go to the other side. Boom. Shoes to the hat. Rockwood Air Forces. Cologne. Got more pictures. So we got some more pictures. Now we on level 3. I got wine, y'all. So we are at another table. little stuff. You know, so we in here.
A legendary venue in London.
Y'all look.
A pattern of forward thinking
This
has been
is so
consistent in
nice.
Jay-Z's legacy. Headlining the likes of Glastonbury and Coachella then sparked a crucial question. Why don't we have our own festival? Enter Made in America, which for 11 years in running has annually centered the biggest and most deserving acts in our culture.
Right.
I think the thing about music, what we all recognize, if you take away genres of music, rock, country, rap, and truth, it's all the same thing. It's about passion, it's about fame, it's about love.
This is Jersey. The shades, his hat.
One of the core tenets of Jay-Z's business acumen has been to take the hip-hop
You
standards
can
and
read it.
practices and maximize them. The worlds of hip-hop and basketball are two parallel roads stemming out of the same neighborhoods. Jay-Z made his stake in the Nets and their relocation to
but down here you can read it.
centering the same blocks he once hustled out of into one of the city's main attractions.
Sean Carter, aka Jay-Z.
We got the Hennessy.
Barclays Center in the hottest music venue and the most successful arena in the world. Welcome to this.
So we got more videos for him.
Can represent his hope for Brooklyn, New York City. And
Wow, this is so nice to
shooting
hear,
jump
y'all.
shots and thinking of committing to the NBA. Now standing as an owner of a team that's coming back to Brooklyn and the pride in
Paid
that,
in
bringing
full.
that dream so much closer for people from Marcy, from Tompkins, from
Up
Brooklyn,
top.
from Lafayette. You did it again, Brooklyn.
A video of him. Guess the lady noticed him. So they talking. He done told her that he was Jay-Z. This is nice, y'all. Look at this. Okay.
Congratulations, Jay.
This.
Relying on you for your Questy collab photo.
We have this. Guess this is music recordings. I don't know, but this is nice. This is more his recording tapes. Some more VHS tapes. Yeah. This just lets you know that he made a lot of records. A lot of records, y'all. I'm sure he probably got some more in the vault that we don't know about. More records, y'all. More records. Let's look at it. More stuff right here. And we have his awards, BT Awards. Awards actually nice in person. And we have a Grammy Award. Look at it, y'all. It's nice in person, so gold. We got more awards. Billboard. Just look at them, they so glossy. Made me want to hold one in my hand.
Got more over here. And we got this is Trader Joe's. Right now we in Trader Joe's. This is so nice.
Right now, we're doing a taste test of what the name is. The name was just on the oh, here you go. Dan and John's Wing. We're doing a taste test. I got sweet barbecue. Out of 10. 10 out of 10. Now we're gonna go for a wing. It's got the crunch, it's got the flavors. It's just so good. Really. I'll be back when I try another place for y'all. Look what I got, y'all. Got this. And I got this. So we have made it to Ellen's, and I'm so ready to try this cheesecake. So let's go inside. What's the 72 hours in New York? It was a vibe. I enjoyed it. I can't wait to go back. I don't know if y'all can see me or not. The sun is hot. I'm in Georgia right now. But yeah, it was a vibe. Cool people there. Even though I didn't meet no new people, but I could tell the people was cool there. Yeah, it was just cool all around. Cool vibes. Cool. The weather was. You see, it's hot. You could tell it's hot here in Georgia, but down there in New York, oh my gosh, it's cold. Like, good thing I did bring my bubble coat. I already kind of figured to bring it anyways, because that's kind of what they wear down there is the bubble jacket. So yeah, but yeah, it was a vibe. I enjoyed myself. I enjoyed the pizza, the cheesecake, and some other foods that I tried. I'm sure it's a lot more foods that I probably need to try next time. I enjoyed going to visit everything that I visit that y'all will see in this vlog. But I love y'all. I hope y'all enjoy this vlog, because this is my second time doing a vlog, but this time I actually vlogged almost everywhere that I went. And if I didn't get everything for y'all, it's only because my phone kept going dead, and I gotta get used to vlogging myself, because you know people be looking at you and probably looking at you crazy because you be talking to yourself or whatever. So I gotta get used to this. And really, like I said, people don't really vlog themselves no more. They have like camera people. So yeah, I gotta get used to just vlogging myself. But more to come. So stay tuned. More vlogs will be coming, and I will get back to doing my reaction videos. So yeah, but yeah, stay tuned. I hope y'all like the video. Make sure y'all subscribe, leave a like. I'ma slap y'all mama. No, I'm just playing. But don't for real, leave a like, comment, and yeah, stay tuned. Oh, follow all my social medias down in the link below. And yeah, I'm out. Peace.